Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the difference between each and every. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss future videos just like this. Each and every are very similar and sometimes it is possible to use either of them. For example, each time I see the movie, I notice something new. Or every time I see the movie, I notice something new. Both of these are fine. But there is a difference between these two words. We use each when we're thinking of things separately or one by one. For example, study each book carefully. It means to study each book one by one. Each is more common when talking about a small number of things. There are 5 chairs in the room and each chair is a different colour. Or in poker, each player has 2 cards. We use every more when we are thinking about a group of things. Every book in this library is written in English. I'm talking about all of the books in the library. It's also a large number of books. My dream is to visit every country in the world. When we are talking about 2 things, we use each, not every. In football, each team has 11 players. There are 2 teams. When we are talking about how often something happens, we use every. We cannot use each. I brush my teeth every day, not each day. The train leaves every 30 minutes. Some extra tips. We use both each and every with nouns. Each chair, each person, every person. We can use each with of. Each of the dogs is a different colour. We can't say every of, but we can say every one of. I've seen every one of these movies. We can use each in the middle or the end of a sentence. My brother and sisters were each given gifts for Christmas. The books were £5 each. Alright, I hope this video has helped. If it has, please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. And if you click the link below, you can look at the lesson page for this video and do a little activity to help you practice. Thank you for watching. See you next time.